probably my favorite one to film every single year and gets me all excited about the year coming and the year that is approaching. For me, 2023 has definitely been such a huge learning curve. I think I've definitely done a lot of growth, feeling like I'm growing up, and I've learned so much about that. This year I got to travel, I got to experience some things that I would have only dreamed of a year ago, and for that I'm so grateful. A huge goal of mine last year was to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. In 2024, I really want to hit 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna give it my absolute all and I'm gonna really try. Let's talk manifestation. I truly believe that this year I manifested a lot of things into my day-to-day life, and I'll show you guys how I did it, how I manifested it, how I made these things my reality. And I think that's super important, whether it's the big things, whether it's the smaller things. This is my 2023 vision board. A lot of the whole romanticizing life, but there are things on here that I did manifest. Now this is so crazy because she feels tiny and a lot of the corners are cut. On here, the first thing I noticed on my social media, I had been wanting to be seen by more people this year. That was a huge goal of mine. My video would be on their For You page, let's say. The TikTok red growth tab. I've had 5 viral TikTok videos. I went to Primark basically in autumn to go like film their new fall collection. That video has now had almost 900,000 views. When that was going viral, being in complete delusion, I was like, what is going on? Like, just made my heart feel so full. And obviously I know it's not about the numbers, but as a content creator, I've always just wanted to reach more people and for more people to see my content. When that happened, I was just genuinely like, what is going on? Now 2024 and we are in the need of a new vision board. We need to set some goals. I'm also going to order it online and we're going to get a huge poster. We're going to put it up in the bedroom. We can see where we're going to be. The 2024 vision board. When making my vision board for 2024, I really wanted to include lots of different variations of my goals for this year. Just by looking at my vision board, I can see that there's travel, there's love, food, career, future goals all into one vision board. Yes, aesthetic photos, but also they all have my goals incorporated. And I'm so happy with how my vision board came together. I think it really does display all my goals for this year in a really cute way. Hello, I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. For all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. A little bit later on in this video, but I really wanted to sit down and talk with you guys about goal setting, go a little bit more in depth and kind of break down my vision board and share with you guys some of my goals for this year. I feel like my entire vision board has so much substance to it, as there's so many things I want to do this year. And as you guys saw, I did do my goals yesterday and I've got my journal here with me as well. This is my 2024 journal and then this is my planner. In my journal, I did all my goals. I separated them from my goals for 2024 and then I also did my goals for January while I was journaling anyway. The most effective is to journal at least monthly, setting my January goals, journaling throughout the month and then doing a January goals reflection on a page next to it. And that way I've always been able to stay in touch with myself, and in 2023 I genuinely do think that's what kept me on track. Number one is to explore and travel to new places. I've written down a few in mind. In February I really want to go to Paris, to revisit Amsterdam, Barcelona, and I really want to go to Rome this year. Some crazy places and I'm really excited excited to go. But yeah, since I went to Amsterdam, I think that trip in itself has really opened my spectrum up to the whole traveling experience. Traveling solo is so peaceful, guys. Have more of that in 2024. Number 2 is to save money into a savings account. Obviously, financial things I will keep out of my YouTube videos, but because I do work and things, I definitely really want to save more this year, put more into my savings account for next year, is hit monetization on my platforms. That goal is to work hard, be consistent on my platforms, put out content that I truly love. That is one of my goals for this year. I really want to monetize all my social media platforms. 4 is to work with more fashion brands this year. I've worked with quite a few brands this year, and for that I'm like so grateful, because a year ago I don't think I would have believed that I would have been working with any brands, to be honest. I want to work on like developing my content into more fashion and beauty related videos, skincare, makeup, that kind of section I really want to dive more into, try out some new stuff, you know. Number 5, I've written down like my followings and growth goals that I would like to hit this year. Prior to 2023, I really did struggle because honestly I didn't put myself out there enough, and this year I've really done that with moving and working, and I've met so many amazing people through putting myself out there. So this year I really want to continue to do that. Everything good has come from stepping out my comfort zone this year. I really recognize that. Number 8 is to learn how to cook and find new recipes that I enjoy and just overall expand my food palette. I think I really do limit myself, and I need to find some new recipes. I think this year I've definitely gotten a grasp of the things I like and I don't like. I want to just learn to cook properly. Maybe the little more challenging ones, like those are some of my 2024 goals. And on my vision board in the top corner I have my career, and that explains all the goals I just previously mentioned. From the top to the middle I've got a lot of travel, a lot of lifestyle, wellness that I'm manifesting for myself, and then in the bottom I've got love and food. And it is actually my lock screen on my phone. It inspires me so much. It's so motivating, and I love that it says 2024 is my year. I think that is so cool. I'm feeling so good about this year, and I was so excited for all that is to come. I really hope this video inspires you guys and motivates you to set goals for yourself, manifest those things that you want into your reality. If you guys like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year, and I'm wishing all of you an amazing 2024. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day and an amazing week. Bye.